Going on, ladies and gentlemen? What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we have the Elite Four in Pokemon. Let's play Pokemon Fire Red. And I trained up our party as I said in the last video. I brought everybody up to level 56 except from Mr. Sai and Araizo. And I gave them hell items except from Araizo. And let's switch up our party. And as you guys can see, I'm at Lorelei and I bought some full restores and stuff. And okay, let's recap our team. We have Mr. Sai with the item Amulet Coin and ability as synchronized with Shockwave, Command, Recover and Psychic. We have Araizo, our Charizard, Flamethrower, Dragon Claw, Brick Break and Fly and ability Blaze. And we have Coral or Royal Bloom with the ability Chlorophyll and I have items Petal Dance, Giga Drain, Toxic and Return. And we have Rhaegar, the Dragonite with the ability Inner Focus with the Thunderbolt, Outrage, Earthquake and Surf. We have Heads, the Pikachu with the ability Static with Thunderbolt, Thief, Strength, Thunderwave and Black Glasses. Rhaegar had leftovers and Coral had leftovers. And Mystic with XP Share and item is Poison Point. Sorry, ability is Poison Point and moves Thunderbolt, Ice Beam, Mega and Surf. And that's it about our team. And we have Gyarados in our PC. And I was meant to go catch and legendaries, but I wanna do the Elite Four. Okay, welcome to the Pokemon League. I'm Lorelei of the Elite Four. No one can best me when it comes to icy. Freezing moves are powerful. Your Pokemon will be at my mercy when they're frozen solid. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Yeah, what's the Elite Four Lorelei? Okay, use command. Oh shit. I'm not gonna use items in battle. I don't wanna use them. Please do not get uncritical hit. Oh shit! Petal Dance. Mystic is level 57 now. And use Toxic. Go Heads. Show your raw power. Thief. And Lorelei, why are you giving me this much challenge? Thief. No problem. We have Araizo, Flamethrower, Repress. I had Big Break. And another. Okay, no problem. We have our Coral with Giga Drain. And I'm gonna heal up our party. Okay guys, I healed up our party. Okay, let's take on the second Elite Four member. I am Bruno of the Elite Four. Through the rigorous training, people and Pokemon can become stronger without limit. I have lived and trained with my fighting Pokemon. And that will never change. Hey, we'll grind you down with our superior power. Hoo-ha! Okay. Okay. No problem. This thing is very slow. I know you would go for that. I know that. For a fact. Giga Drain. Petal Dance. Shit. Fly. Yes. Fly. Machamp. Why are you doing this to me? Fly. Yes. And go, Mr. Sai. Use Psychic. My job is done. Go face your next challenge. I'm gonna heal up. Okay, guys. I healed up and we are at the third Elite Four now, and that is being Agatha. I am Agatha of the Elite Four. I hear Oak's taken a lot of interest in you, child. That old Duff was once tough and handsome, but that was decades ago. He's a shadow of his former self. Now he just wants to fiddle with his Pokédex. He's wrong. Pokemon are for battling. Yeah, I'll show you how a real trainer battles. Okay, here we go. It's good day for archery game. Kadabra Sweep. Mystic grow to level 58. Big Kadabra sweep. And Kadabra just swept you, Agatha. Because you suck. You win. I see what the world of sins in you. I have nothing else to say. Run along now, child. I'm gonna heal up our party and switch up our party. Okay guys, I swapped up our party and let's go on face the last and final Elite 4 member being Lance, the Johto champion, Kanto, the most powerful Elite 4 in Kanto. And hi, I heard about you. Yeah. I led the Elite 4. You can call me Lance, the Dragon Trainer. You know that dragons are mythical Pokemon. No. They are hard to catch and raise, but their powers are superior. They are virtually indestructible. There's no being clever with them. Well, are you ready to lose? Your league challenge ends with me. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. We're betting the final Elite 4 member. Gyarados. Okay. I had Thunderbolt for you. Psh. I have Surf for ya. Surf. Ice Beam. Oh shit. No problem. I had my own Rhaegar with my own outrage. And yes, we defeated Lance, guys. And I want to. We're only 6 minutes in. We can end the episode right here. But I want to face the champion, because it's very thrilling to face champion in this episode. Okay, let's quickly save the game. I'll see you guys when I made some changes to our team. Okay guys, I healed up and changed up our party and we are entering the champion room. And that's it. Once and for not at all. Yeah. Hey.
I was looking forward to seeing you, yeah. My rebel should be strong to keep me sharp. While working on my Pokemon, I looked all over for Pokemon. Not only that, I assembled teams that you would beat any Pokemon type. And now,
can you beat fairy types?
I am the league champion. Hey, do you know what that means? I tell you, I am the most powerful trainer in the world.
The person who talked now is my brother and he can't beat fairies. Yeah. And he's higher level than us. I want a challenge. Oh shit. And he sent out his Rhydon. Go Coral! No. Giga Drain. Okay. Petal Dance Coral. Alakazam. Can you defeat that Alakazam, Coral? Use Return. Oh, Coral can't defeat that thing. Go, Mr. Sai. Use Shockwave. You defeated your own evolved form. And oh shit. Go, Rhaegar. Use Earthquake. He sent out his Executor. No problem, I had Outrage for ya. And thank you for not confusing me. Helped us by not confusing us. Oh, what? What the frick, man? Freak out. Go, Executor. And here it is. The type matchup Paul wanted for. That is being. Okay. Can you defeat this thing? Fly. Up so high. Brick Break. Dragon Claw. Fly. Yes. Oh no. Shit. But anyway. And we defeated.
No, that can't be. That can't be. You beat me at my best. After all that work to become the league champion. My region is over already.
Rain.
It's not fair. He got
12,600 for winning.
Why I did lose? I never made any mistakes raising my Pokemon.
Dang it. You are the new Pokemon League champion, although I don't like to admit it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So you won. Sincerely, congratulations. You are the new Pokemon League champion. You have grown up so much since you first led with Charmander to work on the Pokédex. Yeah, you have come of age. Yeah, I'm disappointed in you. I came when I heard you'd beaten the Elite Four, but when I got here, you had already lost. Yeah, do you understand why you lost? You have forgotten to treat your Pokemon with love and trust. With them, you'll never become a champ again. Yeah, you understand that your victory was not just on your own doing. The bond you share with your Pokemon is marvelous. Yeah, come with me. Okay. Hey, congratulations. Yeah. This floor is the Hall of Pokemon Fame. Pokemon League champions are honored for their exploits here. Their Pokemon are also recorded in the Hall of Fame. Yeah, you have worked hard to become the new Pokemon League champion. Congratulations, yeah. You and your Pokemon are Hall of Famers. With that, guys, we have our team in the Hall of Fame. And we have Mr. Sai, the Alakadabra, Rhaegar, the Dragonite, Mystic, the Nidoking, Coral, the Vileplume, Erizo, the Charizard, and I forgot our another team member, but that's not it. And we are doing post game. And stay tuned for my post game videos. Peace out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, let's roll the credits. I'm so happy that I completed this series. I wanna do the post game now, and I am recording this before I even uploaded the last video. The end. And okay, Professor Oak 74. Okay. What? He'd give us the National Pokédex. And that's it for this episode, guys. And also we upgraded our Pokédex. And I'll see you guys in the next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Fire Red Post Game Edition Part 1. And we completed this series in Part 12 video. And I am so happy. And yeah, I'm gonna end this video right here. Peace.